Hello, welcome back to Tax Chat with Shirley and Andrea. I'm Shirley Peng from Legal Aid of Nebraska, and Andrea Buckley is with me from Iowa Legal Aid. We are tax attorneys and directors of our state's low-income taxpayers clinics. If you have any civil legal issues and are a resident of Nebraska, give us a call at Legal Aid of Nebraska. If you are a resident of Iowa, you can give Iowa Legal Aid a call. There is no cost to call us, and we can do our best to help you with your tax issues.
As a friendly reminder, we do not prepare tax returns. If you need help preparing your taxes, you can file on your own on the IRS website at irs.gov/freefile. There are a number of commercial software that you can use on that website, and you would be getting the free version. If you don't feel comfortable filing your tax return yourself, you can go to your local VITA site. VITA stands for Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, and it's a program that offers free tax preparation. If you search VITA on the IRS website, it should tell you your closest VITA location. Because of the pandemic, please call ahead to see if that VITA site is still operating.
The deadline to file is April 15th of each year. However, this year, the filing deadline has been extended to Wednesday, July 15th. You have less than 2 months to make sure you file on time. Any payments owed for 2019 is also due on the new due date as well. If you pay estimated tax payments, first and second quarterly payments typically paid on April 15th and July 15th will also both be due on July 15th. For the state of Nebraska, first quarter estimated payments are due June 15th. The second quarter estimated payments are due July 15th.
Iowa extended the deadline to file your 2019 tax return to July 31st. If you owe money for your 2019 return, you will want to make sure to send your payment by July 31st. If you normally pay quarterly estimated income tax payments, those due dates were not extended in Iowa. So the first quarter payments were due April 30th and second quarter were due June 30th. The IRS has extended the statute of limitations in claiming refunds for your 2016 tax return. Generally, you have 3 years to file or amend your tax return to get a refund. The deadline to claim a refund for tax year 2016 is usually April 15th of 2020. But this year, because of the pandemic, the deadline was extended to July 15th, 2020.
If you know you cannot get your taxes filed on time, you can still request an extension. The extension date is still on October 15th, 6 months from the original April 15th deadline, not the 6 months from the July 15th deadline. To request an extension, you can use the free file link on the irs.gov website to electronically request an automatic tax filing extension. To get the extension, you must estimate your tax liability on the form and should also pay any tax due at that time.
If you fail to pay the amount owed to the IRS by the July 15th deadline, then penalties and interest may continue to accrue. We will talk more about collections in the next video.
So that's it for this week's Tax Chat with Shirley and Andrea. Remember, if you need help and you're a Nebraska resident, call 1-877-250-2016.
And if you're an Iowa resident, call Iowa Legal Aid at 1-800-532-1275.
Until next time, click like, subscribe, and share. Bye.
Bye.